Hey mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Welcome to Area at Saramonte Mansions located in Philinvest Homes Quinta along Marcos Highway. So yung mga offerings namin dito is isang RFO and isang pre-selling units na Brahms Model Duplex. For the details, itaplash ko na lang po si screen. And tara, samahan nyo ako. Mag-walk tour tayo sa Area at Saramonte Mansions. So tara guys, walk tour tayo. So dito banda yung entrance ng Area at Saramonte Mansions. So paglabas po niya, yan po yung Saramonte Mansions. So ito po yung marker ng Area at Saramonte. So maliit lang po yung project. So yung available namin na almost RFO or near RFO units is located in Block 2, Lot 1. So ito po yun mga kabahay. So almost finished na yung bahay. So it's a Brahms model duplex. So yung lot area nito is around 157 square meter. It's facing east. So laki ng frontage and malaki din yung pwedeng maging car park. So yan ang available units namin here in Area at Saramonte Mansions. So tara, walk tour tayo sa area. So for Area at Saramonte Mansions, so yung mga available namin dito is Brahms model duplex. So yan, finish na halos lahat ng mga house dito and may mga homeowners na rin na nakalipat. And yung iba naman is waiting for turnover. So yung isa pang available na pre-selling naman is located in Block 5, Lot 2. So mamaya ituturo ko po. So yung available is banda doon. So yung lot area nito is around 143 square meter located in Block 5, Lot 2. Yan. So yan. So yan, ang ganda ng ginawa nilang design for the garage. So tara, ikutin natin. So guys, kung magpapa-fence kayo, for approval po kasi may design na dapat sundin or restriction. So tulad niyan, may specific ano po yan, heights. So napakaliit lamang po ng Area at Saramonte Mansions, no? Naikot ko na kaagad. So within 5 minutes natapos ko yung walk tour. So yung mga kabahay, I just walk tour sa Area at Saramonte Mansions. So yung available ng mga units dito is pinakita ko kanina. And for those na naghahanap nga ng bahay in Philinvest Homes Quinta along Marcos Highway, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Philinvest Land. Thank you for watching and God bless.